On April 2nd, 2025, in Illinois, USA, police received an emergency call about a suspected child abuse case. When officers arrived, they discovered a young girl living in a dilapidated home without running water for more than 3 weeks, with floors covered in waste and animals left starving inside.
You guys arrested me?
No, you just put him aside and talk to him.
Yeah, I'll get my paperwork. I'll show you. I ain't got no work.
Guys, please don't take my dad.
But they're gonna arrest me. That's what they're doing.
We're not arresting you. Listen, our camera's on, okay? Do you want to talk with her?
Yeah, she's perfectly fine.
Okay. So,
The order of protection got dropped today. She went and pulled her out of school early today, and then she called me on her phone, and she said, "Come get me." I was like, "Baby, well, you can come with me. Like, I can come get you." Like, and she's like, "Mom's saying you're gonna go to jail." Like, my lawyer said I can have her if I want. Like, I didn't take her from her. She came running down the road, and what was I supposed to do? Leave her? Her mom has been screaming at her, yelling at her, telling her she didn't knock her teeth out.
No,
Yes, she stopped it.
she
Hey, hey, yeah. No, I'm done hiding the stuff from your mom. I want them to see this house. I haven't been here for 2 years. This is not even humane. My water's been turned off for 3 weeks. She's been like, please come in here and see this house. Like, I really want to.
Police were called for a child endangerment and visitation interference report. When officers arrived, a distressed father explained, "My daughter ran out begging for help. Her mother was yelling there's no water, the house is full of trash, she's living in awful conditions." He pleaded with police to go inside and see the reality his little girl had been facing.
Like, there's dog shit from the front door to the back. It stinks so bad. Just go stick your head. Like, she's been making this kid live in here for 3 weeks with no water. Yeah, she's been staying. No, she's been staying here.
I've been being at that house
come
and
here,
sleeping
please.
here.
Please do me a favor. She's been staying here.
I've been sleeping
There's
in this
no
house
water.
and basically
Yeah,
being in that house.
she comes home and sleeps.
I
here.
come
You
home,
put your
sleep,
head,
and
you
goes
go
to
stand
school.
by the door. It's downright. It is disgusting. Like, but I'm supposedly allowed to have her. I didn't think I did anything wrong. My lawyer said if I have her, I have her. If he has her, she has her, because this is everybody's residence. If she wants to go wherever she wants to go, she can go wherever she wants to go. I didn't even go in the courtroom today. I was just told to get a custody agreement, and we're working on that. I mean, and then she went and yanked her out of school. And then she's calling and crying. I had to beg my mom to call you, and she's like, ha ha, now you can get a custody agreement, motherfucker. And I'm like, stop playing games with our daughter. Like, this is not cool.
And then took my phone and hung up on him.
Hung up on me, and she's telling her if she comes around me that I'm gonna go to jail and she's gonna get in trouble and she can't be around her dad. And I would love to see some paperwork that says I can't be around my daughter. Like, please look in my house, make a DCFS case. I'm not worried about it. I just got home a couple hours ago, and this kid has been living like this. There's shit in my toilet. There's no water on. It's not me, guys.
At the scene, the father told officers, "I'm fighting for custody of my daughter. She ran out begging for help. Her mother's house has no water, trash everywhere, and it's not fit for a child to live in." He urged police to step inside, determined to prove the unsafe conditions his daughter had endured.
This has been the hardest thing in the world for me, and I have played it to the T, but I am not going to leave. I don't know. That's it. She's telling me my dog's been living in a kennel for a week. She won't even let out, said no to die. Her ribs are showing. There's two bearded dragons. There's all kinds of animals in here. She's not taking care of anything.
But as for right now, mom's got custody of her until a parent agreement is in place. That's how it works. It's state of Illinois.
But
I could show you I could give you the
ILCS
number.
I've had you guys here before, and they were straight told her they ain't taking her out of her house. But I get that she has to be out of her house.
Yeah,
and I'm just like, she kicked her out 3 days ago and told her to go kick her out. Kicked her out of the house. And you guys are telling me I have to give her back to her?
I get
How? Like,
you got to go get a court agreement. Okay.
yeah.
Can I please take my dad just for tonight?
You can't.
Dude, she's scared to be with me. She's stayed here every night since I've left. And you guys are going to go give her back to her.
Well, I mean, I can call my command and see what we can.
Please,
try
anything
and
you
make
can do to
happen.
help me. I don't want to argue.
Yeah, I'm not trying to argue either. I
you have a pen?
get your concerns.
Yeah,
I fully get that's not acceptable at all.
I come home today and it's...
And if she goes over back with mom and they come back over here
they're
tonight
going to.
and then
Tell
stay
me you're
here,
not going to stay here. Where are you going to stay? Who has room for you to stay?
Either Bama or
Grandma's house is what? Stacked full of boxes and everything else? Damn near worse than my house.
At the scene, the father tried to explain everything to the officers. "I'm not trying to cause trouble," he said, "but my daughter's been living in filth, no water, trash all over. Even the dog is starving, locked up for days. This isn't safe for anyone." His voice shook as he begged them to check the house themselves.
That's the whole reason she did
know,
this.
I know you have places to take her, but Mom is ultimately in charge of where she
How
goes.
come she's not getting arrested for this? Is it just child neglect and stuff?
It's going to get all
Animal
documented.
cruelty?
DCFS is going to find
I understand that, but I'm not really happy about her going with her mom right now. Like,
I understand.
How can I keep her?
away?
No,
You have to get an order of protection.
I think she should be in handcuffs right now. And how? If I did this to her, I guarantee I'd be in jail.
Well, this is going to be a cluster.
It already is. I'm already like,
What are your thoughts on the rest of them?
for endangerment. Absolutely. I mean, I can't even step a foot in that house without wanting to gag. And there's stuff all over the floor. I already seen poo. I seen pee everywhere.
Did Mom admit to you that she's been staying
I have
overnight?
not
She
talked to
admitted to
Mom.
me. She was.
After the investigation, the woman was charged with leaving the scene of an accident and obstructing identification. This case serves as a reminder that in any situation, cooperating and being honest with the police is essential to clarify the matter and avoid serious legal consequences.
So, right now, they're going to be placed under arrest for endangering the life of a child, okay?
Okay.
Oh, our body cameras are on.
Oh, fine. I couldn't help you.
Okay, we're just going to go to...
Can you open the door for
Yeah.
me for just a second? Just for a second. Hey, they're arresting me for child endangerment. I need you to call Doc. Yeah, I'm in cuffs right now. I need you to call Doc right now. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Who's Doc?
My boyfriend.
Oh.
Did you know about the condition of the house and the state it's in now?
I did. I was working on getting it cleaned. He left it just as bad as I did.
Okay.
I've been working. I've had my daughter.
Okay. So what's up with her knotted hair?
She came home from her dad's that way.
Came home from her
She
dad's that
claims
way?
that she didn't have a hairbrush in her backpack, and it's only gotten progressively worse. And I do not have money until Friday when I get paid. But as soon as I get paid Friday, she's going to a salon and it's getting fixed.
Okay.
Whether we have to cut it or it can get brushed out. I've had several people try to help me brush it out and look at it, and we can't get it out.
Okay. How long has her hair been like that for?
Only well, the knot started last weekend and it was very small.
Okay. And it's just gotten progressively worse?
It's just gotten progressively worse, yeah.
Okay. Have you been staying in the house while there's been no water?
We only sleep there, we don't eat there, we don't stay, the only thing we do is sleep there. And
Okay.
Did you know there's bed bugs in there?
No.
Yeah, quite a bit.
What?
Yeah.
I don't
There's-
have a single bite on me.
Our code enforcement just went through the house and they found them in their bed. So,
In her bed or in my
Both.
bed? Oh, lovely.
yeah, there's eggs on your bed.
Lovely.
There's that. The house is being deemed uninhabitable. No one can be in there until it gets fixed, up to code, everything. Because
Okay.
there's mold, there's feces, there's no water. The toilet's full of toilet paper and feces and urine. And
After handcuffing her and leading her outside, the officers began questioning the mother about the state of the home. One of them asked firmly, "Ma'am, were you aware your house has no running water and is filled with feces and trash?" She hesitated, her voice shaky, insisting, "We only sleep there. I've been trying to clean it up." But the officers exchanged looks. The excuses didn't match what they had just seen inside.
I mean, it's a complete disaster.
So I have a question. Is there any way I can press charges against him for kidnapping? Because he coerced her, he called her on the phone and told her to run away.
That I would probably say no.
Okay. Why not?
Give me just a minute. That's me.
Oh, you're young love?
Yep, and I definitely did not
You
say
told
that.
me that. You told me that.
No, I have
if-
this to prove that I didn't say that either.
Okay. Okay, then I misunderstood you, and I apologize.
Okay.
I thought that when I had asked you that if he took her, that.
No, I said if he does, give us a call and we can handle the situation from there.
Oh.
So
Okay.
I understand where you're coming from.
This phone thing that he's been doing, like the OP got dropped today and he violated it probably about 6 times, and I had all the evidence and I didn't get out of work in time. And so
When did he violate it?
I have filed a police report. The date's in my phone. I can look at it. Actually, you texted it to me. It's in your phone.
I did. So I did complete a report on that.
And he's done it several other times since. I have screenshots of phone calls. He's hacked my Facebook. I have screenshots of all of that. He's changed it so I can't even see what devices are logged into my Facebook. He put a pin on it, and I have a screenshot of that.
There's not much we're going to be able to do with that.
Yeah.
So I understand where you're coming from as far as the kidnapping, but I don't know if we can reasonably say he was trying to kidnap her. He claimed that he drove by and she ran after him. At least that's what she told me.
He backed up down the street. I have it on video.
Okay.
He stopped at that gray house where all those pillars are, and he backed up all the way to the edge of this brown house in that black truck. And he was hanging out the window when he drove by. I have it all on video. They have surveillance cameras on this house.
Did he get out or stop the truck and go and grab her and pick her up?
He stopped the truck and got out of the car and opened the car door for her.
Okay.
And she got in and he shut the door, and I couldn't get out of my seatbelt because it was locked. And as I was getting out of my seatbelt, getting out of my car, I called the police.
Okay. I understand what you're saying, and we can definitely document that, but I don't think it constitutes as kidnapping. It's not like he's refusing to allow her to go with you at this point. He's even told me on camera that if your daughter has to go back with you, that's perfectly fine. He's not trying to kidnap her.
Okay.
Hold on, before you go. All right, so we're gonna go.
You better go do a well check on that house, and you better scour it.
That's what we're doing. Before she
He's already gone to clear it out. That's why he drove by. Mm-hmm.
Did he leave already? I don't know. I wasn't up there. So yeah, we're gonna go check the house first before she's allowed to stay there. Because if it's like that condition, no, we're gonna find something else, or DCFS is gonna come into place or somewhere.
Okay.
Okay.
Despite her excuses, the woman was still arrested for child endangerment. The evidence was undeniable: a home without water, animals starving, and a child forced to live in filth. No matter the struggle or excuses, every parent has a duty to provide a safe and humane environment for their child. Love alone isn't enough. Responsibility is what truly defines a parent.